The next couple exercises are used to strengthen your core. They are not typically done as part of the protocol, however we incorporate them because it's so important that your core be activated for your knee recovery. We're going to start by stabilizing your pelvis again by putting a ball between your knees, and you're going to line up your feet with your pelvis and you're going to squeeze that ball. This will help stabilize your lower pelvis. Get your handy dandy weights. These are 2-pound weights. Now if you have shoulder arthritis or issues with the shoulders, you do not need to use weights and you do not want to perhaps do these exercises at all. So these are for shoulder healthy patients. You're going to take the weights, and the first exercise you're going to imprint. So imprint means drag your belly button down towards the table. Okay, so you're going to, like there's a net on your stomach and you're going to pull it back towards the table. Okay, so Martha's doing that now, and she's going to punch her shoulders up towards my hands, okay? And when you punch up, you're not going to go straight up at 90. You're going to go slightly below 90 because this is less impinging on the shoulder. Okay, bring it down, keep the core tight, tighten here. So you tighten the stomach and hold this at the same time, and you do not stop. And you punch up. Excuse me. Squeezing the ball, keeping the stomach tight, and punch to the ceiling. 3, breathe, and you might want to count out loud.
4,
5, 6, keep the ball tight. 7, breathe. 8, keep the stomach in. 9, 10, and then relax. The next core exercise that you'll do is you'll extend the arms fully out, holding the weights together. You'll bring it down towards the ball and then raise it up over your eyes. We're not going higher than that to do this exercise. The weakest part of the shoulder is from over the eyes to behind your head, and that's what we want to avoid so you don't impinge anything. Just going to bring those weights up nice and slow and then bring it down, and you'll do 10 of those, keeping the ball tight between your legs and imprint and keeping your stomach tight as well. Breathe. 1, 2, keep it tight, very good. 3, 4, 5, 6. She's got her core activated. 7, 8, 9, and the last one, 10. Excellent. The other core exercise you'll do is the bridge. With your arms across your body, squeezing the ball between your legs, you're going to imprint your core or tighten your belly, squeeze your cheeks together, and just raise your fanny from the table. Hold at the top for a second and lower slowly. 1. Lift. 2. Lift, hold at the top, lower. 3. Lift, hold, lower. 4. Lift, hold, lower. 5. Lift, hold, lower. 6. Keep everything tight. Lift, lower. 7. Again, keep the stomach tight, the ball between the legs. 8. Hold at the top. Good. Lift, hold at the top. 9. Breathe, lift up, hold, and then lower. Excellent.